EVAL, ethylene vinyl alcohol copolymer, is not just a barrier, it's a bridge to a more sustainable and circular packaging ecosystem. Let's pave the way for recycling innovation together. EVAL is a thermoplastic material widely used in the food packaging industry to extend shelf life and preserve flavor and aromas. In a world where sustainability takes center stage, recyclability is key. Packaging structures infused with EVAL EVOH don't disrupt polyolefin recycling streams and are leading the way in promoting circularity and redefining the recycling landscape. Results from verified studies by CFlex, Recyclass, and the Association of Plastics Recyclers showed definitively that Kuraray's EVAL product can be used to produce recyclable structures, and if decontaminated, could potentially be used in any post-consumer recycling-based applications, including food packaging. Kuraray is committed to sustainability and the circular economy. EVAL truly is supporting a more sustainable future.